Ready na yung mga boys, oh. Ito, yung trusted nating T7. Thank you, Elf. Elf Lubricants, thank you. Kaka-change oil lang yan, Elf gamit natin. Let's go.
Live a little, flip the page, give it some more, getting out of my way. I was hiding, bulletproof, forever waiting, then came you. I thought I was what I've been told I thought I was. I thought I was what I've been told I thought I was. I was picking up the pieces of yesteryear's life, in over my head, trying to figure out. I was going through changes, but where to begin when a mountain moving revelation came marching in. I thought I was what I've been told I thought I was. Thought I was what I've been told I thought I was. Been a long time, baby, at an all-time low. Stick with me, maybe, don't let me go. Crashed out, landed on cotton candy in your arms and survived. I'm still a disaster, rock bottom and below. I'm yours for the asking, where you go I go. I thought I was what I've been told I thought I was. I thought I was what I've been told I thought I was.
Sobrang ganda ng view, grabe. Yung route namin itong trip na to, lahat panalo, yung immersion, yung challenges, grabe. Ibang klase, ang ganda talaga ng Pilipinas. Sobrang solid ng trip na to. Ganda. Dami kong nabisita na spot na ngayon ko lang napuntahan. Ibang klase. Dito mo masasabi na kailangan mo talagang lumabas ng comfort zone para ma-enjoy and ma-explore yung ganda ng Pilipinas. Grabe, ganda. Yung mga dinaan namin, back roads, rough road, putik, ulan. Pero grabe, worth it, worth it. Thank you also to Elk Lubricants for my motorcycle and 4x4 oil needs. Thank you. See you next adventure.